1666, a 23-year-old nobody and sitting alone under a tree watched an apple fall and asked the one question nobody in human history had ever thought to ask. Why, down? A plague is killing England. 100,000 people dead. Cambridge University shut down. Every student sent home. Isaac Newton packs his books. Rides 60 miles to his mother's farm. No lab, no professors, no peers, just fields, apple trees, and silence. He is 23 years old. Unknown to the world, unknown to science. He will later call these 18 months the most creative period of his entire life, forced on him by a plague. One afternoon, an apple drops from the branch above him, hits the ground. Newton stares at it, not because apples don't fall, they always fall. Every human who ever lived watched things fall, but Newton asks something different. Why toward Earth specifically? Why not sideways? Why not upward? What invisible force is pulling everything toward the center? And then, he looks up at the moon. The moon is also falling. Every single second falling toward Earth. But it never arrives, because it's moving forward just fast enough to keep missing, falling around us, in a perfect circle, held by the same invisible force that just dropped that apple. Newton runs inside, starts writing. He calculates the force on the apple, then scales it to the moon. 240,000 miles away. The numbers match perfectly. He applies the same equation to every planet, every orbit, every moon around Jupiter, every ring around Saturn. Same equation. Every time. Perfect match. He calls it universal gravitation. Every object in existence pulls every other object toward it. Always. One law, one equation, describing everything, written by a 23-year-old on a farm during a plague. That apple didn't teach Newton gravity. Gravity already existed. What it gave him was the right question, at the right moment, in the right silence. In 1969, NASA used his equations to land humans on the moon. Math written on a farm. In 1666, the most important scientific discovery in human history didn't happen in a lab. It happened under a tree, because one man refused to walk past a fallen apple without asking why. Subscribe to the Techphoria lab. Next video. The equation Newton spent his whole life trying to solve, and what it revealed about reality itself.